Hello students, I am back. Class 5, Subject EVS, Chapter 10, Topic Commercial Farmers. Today we will continue and we will talk about the few more types of farmers. First one is commercial farmers. Commercial farmers are farmers that produce crops on a large scale and sell it in the market for profit. In last class we talked about the subsistence farmers. Those were the farmers who produce the crops only in the small scale for their family feed. These are the commercial farmers. They produce the crops for do the business to get the profit. They use modern techniques. Since they want to sell the crops in the market, they need the much and good production. That's why they use the modern techniques. They use the machines, threshers, tractors. They have also the irrigation facilities. By the help of these things, they can do the good production and get the good profit. Next one is organic farmers. Organic farmers use only natural local seeds, manure, compost fertilizers and traditional cropping techniques to maintain the fertility of soil. Organic farmers. These type of farmers use only the natural process. They use the local seeds, they use the manure, use the animal dung to give the manure to their field. They use also compost fertilizers. All of you know that compost fertilizers, which is a type of fertilizer made by the natural process by the dead part of the plants. So these farmers use the old and traditional method. They also use the traditional cropping techniques to maintain the fertility of soil. In the whole world, even on the earth, whatever the things are present by the nature, all these things are useful. Everything is helping other in a good way. So these farmers are using these methods to give their soil in good fertility. They are using the total natural methods to do the farming. Organic farmers produce healthy good food because they do not use any chemicals. Organic farmers are very helpful for all of us because they are giving the production of healthy food. They are using all the techniques and the things that are related to the nature. They are getting it by the nature and using it in their working of the agriculture. So this type of food is healthy food. We can easily use it and we will get the fully benefit by this type of food. These type of farmers are being increased as present in our country because we all prefer to eat the healthy food, and you know healthy food is very important for us. So these type of farming being increased in our country at a different places. Different type of farmers are also converted and comes to use these type of techniques and become the organic farmers. Next one is large farmers. In some parts of the country, rich farmers own large tracts of land known as plantation. Large farmers. By the name, you can easily understand these are in the category of the rich farmers. They have lot of money, they can do the lot of investments. So these type of farmers are rich farmers and they invest the money, own the large plot, large field and use it. That method is plantations. They use the large field to do the protections. The plantations are usually used to grow cash crops. In the last class we talked about the cash crops. These are the cash crops that mainly used to sell the production in the market. These type of crops are being produced only to get the profit. It is a capital intensive form of farming where the investment in machinery, fertilizers and irrigation techniques is much higher. This type of farming is capital intensive. It is a capital intensive farming because lot of money is being invested in this production. Since large farmers are doing investments to get the profit, so definitely they will try to use the modern techniques. They will always be sure that they have to get the profit. So they are using the money to mark the employees. They are arranging the employers to do the work in their field. And since they are doing the investment, so they have a lot of facilities to do the proper farming, and because of this they are getting the proper amount, they are getting the proper benefit by it. In India, we find tea plantations in Assam, coffee plantations in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and rubber plantations in Maharashtra. These are the places where all of you can get the example of the plantations. Tea plantations is being in Assam. Assam, you know, that is a place very famous for the tea production. At that place, this type of farming is being taken place. These type of farmers investing money and doing the tea plantations, selling in the market and getting the good benefit. Coffee plantation in Karnataka. Coffee plantation is being in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and rubber plantations in Maharashtra. So coffee is being produced in the Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and rubber is in Maharashtra. So these were the today's farmers which we talk about. I hope all of you understand. So revise it and learn it. Thank you.